Toronto, York Region, and Durham Region meet at the same point where Taunton Road meets Steeles Avenue East. Taunton Road is a 4-lane road in the Durham Region which is located east of Toronto. In Toronto it becomes a 2-lane Steeles Avenue. Steeles Avenue, which is a major arterial road in the Greater Toronto Area, is known to be a busy thoroughfare. Steeles Avenue between Markham Road and Taunton Road is very busy and narrow. It is a heavily trafficked area, particularly during rush hour. The road is also relatively narrow in this section, which can contribute to traffic congestion and make it challenging for drivers to maneuver. Particularly the intersections of Reesor Road and Steeles Avenue and 9th Line and Steeles Avenue are very challenging as there are no dedicated left turn or right turn lanes. Additionally, the area is home to several commercial and residential developments, which further adds to the traffic volume in the area. This can make it difficult for drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians to navigate safely. Improvements and widening to Steeles Avenue are required to support existing and future transportation needs. Traffic congestion may lead to frustration, stress, anxiety among drivers, and all this further leads to aggression, which may also be the reason of road rage incidents. Time lost in traffic jam can be used as quality family time or greater productivity at work. The constant acceleration and braking of stop-and-go traffic burns more gas. Traffic congestion increases vehicle emissions and degrades ambient air quality as well. It's important for everyone to be cautious and alert while using this stretch of road. Please remember that road safety is everyone's responsibility. As a driver, cyclist, or pedestrian, it's important to follow traffic laws and be mindful of others on the road. Drive safe, stay safe.